In this video, I'm going to explain to you why bus stop method, or short division, actually works. So I want to do 432 divided by 3. So I've got a place value table here with my hundreds, my tens and my ones. So I've got 400, so I'm going to draw 4 circles representing the 400. I've got 3 tens, 30. And I've got 2 ones. Now what a lot of people don't realise is what divide by 3 means. And divide by 3 actually means that you're grouping into threes. So let's just write that down. You're grouping so you're putting them into groups of 3. You're grouping. Okay, well let's start grouping them. So I'm looking at my hundreds, and if I'm grouping into threes, here's a 3 here, so I'll put a circle around the one group. Now this one here, this 100, I can't group it. So what I have to do is I have to turn this 100 into tens. Well, how many tens are there in 100? Well, there's 10. So I'm going to put 10 tens here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I can start grouping again. Let's change colour. So I've grouped here, 1, 2. So remember, you're grouping into threes. Another group. There's another group here. And then we've got the same issue. This doesn't go into a group, so I need to change that 10 into ones. Well, how many ones are there in 10? There's 10. So let's draw out 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And again, let's start grouping. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's just go back and let's look at, well, how many groups of 100 did we have? We had 1 group. How many groups of 10 did we have? We had 4 groups. How many groups of 1 did we have? 4. So my answer is 144. Now let's look at what that means in relation to bus stop method, or short division. So how many threes go into 432? So the first thing that I did was I grouped, and I figured out how many groups I could have. Well, there's only 1 3 that goes into that 4, and there was that one here that was left over. That's what we're doing, that one here that's left over. And then that made 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So how many groups of 3 can go into 13? Well, there was 4 groups, but there was still that one left over, and that made 12 over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So how many groups of 3 went into that 12? It was a 4. So that's how that bus stop works.